Hey loves, and welcome back to Sometimes I Love You More. In today's video I'm going to be doing a closet organization kind of KonMari method where I'm removing a lot of items I'm not in love with anymore. But as you walk in, you see my husband's side straight ahead and my side cuts back behind the bathroom. So it is a hot mess and I'm glad we'll be tackling it today. But we have a lot to do, so let's get into the video. So starting off, I just want to admit that I'm the messy one who kicks off my shoes and leaves my clothes everywhere, not my husband. But step one is to do laundry, which I was way behind on, as you could see in the first clip, and all of those clean clothes are on my bed already. Since I know I wear those items, I didn't feel like going through them. Then I began removing everything from the closet so I could go through each piece, including shoes and accessories. As mentioned in the intro, I'll be kind of following the KonMari method, but with everything in life, I think it's great to get influence from others, but alter it to work for you. She suggests completing an entire category, which today would be clothes, before moving on. But ain't nobody got time for that, and my dresser isn't nearly as bad as my closet was, so I solely focused on this area. KonMari also suggests imagining the life you wish to have with a clutter-free space. Maybe I didn't get deep enough, but I just want getting dressed, mostly for work, to be easier. Next, I'm going through each item. KonMari suggests only keeping the things that spark joy. However, I don't really have an emotional attachment to clothes. I think it's because my mom instilled donating to families in need when I was younger. So as I'm going through, I'm considering if the item fits, if so, is it flattering, the item's condition, and when the last time was that I wore it.
Circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone. In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
So KonMari says to let go of your someday items that you're keeping just in case someday you might need them again. I think she was talking to all us girls with the bags of clothes we hope we might fit into again someday. Hopefully that isn't just me anyway. So I'm finally going through these items and I realized that other than the jeans, I wouldn't even wear most of those things because my style has changed since then.
You already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, got me romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up.
So I know things look like a mess right now, but it's organized chaos. These are all the keeps, which is actually a lot, but I have a shoe problem. But everything on the bed is a keep. This whole pile is giveaway stuff. Those coats are maybes. I have to see what I feel about those. And I have to try this stack on. But we're making progress, slowly but surely. So once everything was back in the closet, I decided to organize it by color. I used to organize by sleeve length and color, however, I thought it looked better just to do specifically by color. So I'm going through each category, shirts, pants, and jackets and dresses, and organizing them now.
Just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, it's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop.
And finally, here is the finished product. I love the way it turned out. I think it looks very clean and organized now that it's color coded. I still have too many shoes, as you can see, but I think it's going to be way easier for me to get dressed for work in the mornings now that I've got rid of a lot of items that I wasn't really using, which has also left a lot of room on the top shelf there for storage. I hope you liked this video and got some motivation to organize a room in your home, whether you use the KonMari method or not. And if you like this video, please like it down below, leave me a comment, or subscribe. And if you do, please hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put out new videos. Until next time, bye y'all.